How to fix if your iPhone apps grayed out or not working properly on your iPhone. Unlock your iPhone first, and here the first workaround is tap on settings of your iPhone, and here tap on general settings, tap on it, and here go to iPhone storage, tap on it, and make sure that sufficient iPhone storage is available. Sometimes out of storage your iPhone may cause of some apps not working properly or grayed out, so iPhone storage must available. And the second one is restart your iPhone, reboot your iPhone. Sometimes a simple reboot can fix various issues of your iPhone, so you should restart your iPhone and check whether your iPhone apps working or not. If not, that app simply press and hold and remove app, and again go to app store and reinstall that app which having grayed out. The one more workaround is check your network connection. Simply turn on airplane mode, and after some times turn off airplane mode. It will establish your network connection. There may be a cause of iPhone apps grayed out. That's all.